In this Wix tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change account language on Wix website builder. So we're going to have to click on the profile right over here. And then here, you're going to have to click on account settings. Here, just select account settings. And then here, what you're going to have to do is from here, account language, you can change the language of your account, right? So it's very simple. Just click on here, change the language. That's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions about Wix, your things that you like to know about Wix, let me know in the comments section. And I'll see you now in the next video. Subscribe for more. Like this video, I really appreciate it. Share it with your friends if you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.